The person I would like to interview would be Edgar Allan Poe because he's just got so much good books, and it's about the reason why. I would like to ask him why. My own personal theme song would have to be the Imperial March in the Star Wars episodes. My favorite food would be Japanese curry. My dream vacation would be to go to Japan and visit Mount Fuji. My favorite book would be anything by Edgar Allan Poe. My favorite sports team is the Sooners. My future plans would be go to college, get out of college, be a granite manpower worker, and have a family.